This is Fred again, and today I'm doing a review of the Wesecuu. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I think I'm saying Wesecuu. It could be Wesecuu or Wesecuu. Light bulb socket style security camera, indoors or outdoors. So this is the box it comes in. And in this application, I installed this in my gazebo outdoors, where there's a overhead fan, a ceiling fan in the gazebo, and I wanted a camera, 360-degree camera, so I could focus anywhere around the yard that I needed to from the gazebo. And this turned out to be just fine for that. Now, I'll show you that this happens to be sockets in the light fixture that are parallel to the floor, so they do not hang down. So in order to get the camera to hang down, I had to buy a 90-degree socket adapter. So this adapter screws into the outlet that you can see here, and once screwed in, put the camera in here. Camera screws in, and then 90 degrees it hangs down like that. So that's how it works, and it works well that way. No adapter I got from Amazon. And I'll show you some pictures of the outdoors. This is the view from the camera. At 90 degrees. And I can adjust it, move it any which way, 360 degrees actually, which works fine. I tried all of that, and I'm very happy with that. And at night, there's enough ambient light from the street light out in front of the house that this is able to pick up. Well, this is actually light, I think, from inside the house that you're seeing here that is enough to give it light to the camera. Has very sensitive night vision that enables it to pick up even very dim light. So I can I'm keeping an eye on this area behind these plants that you see there. I get noises from back there, usually mostly deer, and I just wanted to see what is the noise that I hear. There are animals that do come up out of these woods. Once it was even a bear filmed in the backwoods there. So it does the job, and it works, and I'm very happy with it. So the manual here is Wesecuu, something like that. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's a two-sided manual, fine print, of course, but it's all in English, and step-by-step procedures, starting with loading the app into your smartphone. It works on Android or iPhone. I happen to use an iPhone, and the app is called EC. That's ESEE Cloud. EC Cloud. That's the name of the app. ESEE Cloud. All one word. And that's the app that you're seeing on the screen here. These are from the pictures from the app. And you can take a photo, snapshot, or of course turn on video in your settings. And I took a bunch of photos here. You can see that's the camera itself, 90-degree adapter attached to the overhead fan fixture. And works very well that way. I'll be putting a new cover there with an open bottom so that camera will fit through. So everything works. I'm happy with it. 5 stars. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Thank you and goodbye.